The blind and visually impaired have many abilities that help them navigate the world. But there is one thing they can't do: read other people's faces and expressions. Could technology help them somehow see a smile? Huawei facing emotions. It's simple. Point the Huawei Mate 20 Pro towards a person. The camera then recognizes the emotion on their face, and AI then translates this into a unique sound. Now a blind or visually impaired person can actually hear your smile. This process happens in real time and works in offline mode, all made possible thanks to the Mate 20 Pro's advanced camera, AI chipset, and powerful processor. We worked hand in hand with the visually impaired community to create a user experience and app interface that was easy to navigate. The sounds representing each emotion were crafted in cooperation with a visually impaired composer. We also wanted to design a special holder to make using the app and phone itself intuitive. For this, we joined forces with a respected designer who created a unique holder in a form accessible for all. This simple app proves how technology can help more people to see more of the world.